You want to do ministry full time, but you don't know how to make money doing that? In this video, we want to show you how we're able to give more to our ministry.
Help 5 children to go to school.
I help 2 missionaries.
And I'm now able to give more time to our church.
And able to send the youth to college.
My name is Dave.
And Roxanne.
My name is Lizzie.
I'm Marcy.
Jinshine.
We're all from Canada, but originally we're from the Philippines. And one thing we all have in common is that we have the desire with the heart to give more to our ministry, but it's just enough for us in our family, right?
Yeah, that's so true. Because I also have a desire to help the missionaries, but I'm not able to because of my single income.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I've always wanted to help and give more time to our church, but my income limits me to do that. So I have to work 7 days a week and 10 to 12 hours a day.
Guys, I wasn't able to help out, but now I can.
One day we prayed for a solution, and we saw an ad similar to this. So this is not an accident; it's by divine appointment. It told us to click the link and watch a webinar.
Yes, I was skeptical in the beginning, but when I saw real people getting results, it actually inspired me that if these people are getting results, giving more to the ministry, we can too.
The rest is history. Because of this online business, we were able to sponsor 3 young people to go to a church conference. The church needed to send 6 people; they could only afford 3. So we paid for the rest of the 3 flights and accommodation.
I was able to help out kids to go to school.
Yes, that's so true. And I'm able to do the 2 missionaries and also a lot of projects because of this because of this online business that
yeah,
I'm
I
able
do
to
the
fund.
same. I have more time. I'm able to serve our church full time and help my family back home as well.
I also give to our church ministry than the sending kids to college.
Yeah.
So if this resonates with you, like us, click the link. There's a link somewhere here. It will open up. Put your name and email, and we will send you the information so that you can also start your very own online business. We'll see you inside.
See you later.
God bless.
God bless. God bless.
God bless.